This haircut is for those of you looking for a fashion-forward and editorial look. Inspired by the Brit-pop era, the haircut focuses on keeping the length in the back and sides to create a slight mullet. It's all about creating a base shape and finishing off with plenty of texturizing. In the man from Self Barber chair is Louis. He's a young musician, so the cut is perfectly suited for his style. Cutting his hair is art director of Joe & Co, MatthewTharp. From the consultation, Matt noticed Louis has quite fine hair and it was in need of a bit of taming and really a style cut in. Matt shampooed Louis' hair twice to really cleanse it before conditioning it using Kevin Murphy's Restore treatment. Now Louis has amazing red coloured hair, but this type of hair is naturally more coarse. If you have auburn or red hair, make sure to use products that really do moisturise it. And if you like hair, grooming, skin and fragrance videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Do not miss out. Now after washing, Matt sectioned the hair, the top, back, sides and fringe. Now sectioning the hair enables the barber to have more control over the shape and the cut. Using a scissor cut, Matt started on the sides. He didn't want to take too much length off, but he needed to remove some of the weight to make the hair sit flat against the head. He worked his scissors just above the ear, moving forward. From there, he moved to the nape of the neck and worked up through the back. At the crown, he used the shape of the head as a guide and cut it just slightly shorter than at the base of the neck. Moving to the fringe, which really is a key feature of this style, Matt over-directed the hair, pulling it back on itself to create a shortness in the middle. He kept it slightly longer on the sides, which really helped to avoid a very square and mod shape. And just before drying the hair, Matt applied a small amount of Kevin Murphy Easy Rider. Now this was to help prep the hair and give it a more lived-in feel. For drying, Matt used clips to pinch the hair. A diffuser was then used to set the hair in place. Now for anyone who wants to create and maintain a soft wave in the hair, much like this, a diffuser is perfect for this, as it really does to help stop the direction of airflow. Matt used a razor to texturize the hair and remove some of the bulk, particularly around the back of the head and on the sides. Now it's best to avoid thinning scissors for this, as it can tend to disrupt the shape of the cut. On to the detailers, Matt tidied up the neckline for a really crisp finish. And there we go, an editorial mullet. It's a unique look, but something quite a few of you have been asking for. It's a cut that is definitely about technique and texture. And now we've got loads of cut and style videos already on the Man From Self channel, and there's loads more coming. So make sure you press subscribe right now. And also, if you've got a hairstyle suggestion, let us know in the comments below. But until my next new video, bye-bye.